Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn about division as repeated subtraction. What is repeated subtraction? If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another large number until the remainder is 0 or a number smaller than the number being subtracted, we can write that in a form of division, or we can say that equal grouping can also be shown as repeated subtraction. Now, let's begin repeated subtraction with an interesting story. Aarti has 15 candies. She wants to share them among her 4 friends, including herself. Let us find out how many candies does each friend get. Now she started giving one candy to each friend and kept one for herself. So 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. Now she is left with 10 candies. Again one candy to each friend and kept one for herself. Then 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Now she is left with 5 candies. And now again she gave one candy to each of her friend and kept one for herself. So 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now she is left with no candy. So we can say that each friend will get 3 candies. Let's see another story. Mira has 25 balls. She has to form groups of 5 balls each. How many groups she can form? If there are 25 balls and we form groups of 5 balls each, so the number 5 has to be subtracted repeatedly till we get 0. First we will subtract 25 minus 5. We get 20. Then again 20 minus 5 we get 15. In this way we keep on subtracting 5 from the previous difference until we get 0. Or we can say 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. Let's have some example on repeated subtraction. That is 28 divided by 7. First, we will subtract 28 minus 7. We get 21. Then again 21 minus 7. We get 14. In this way, we keep on subtracting 7 from the previous difference until we get 0. So, we see that 7 is subtracted 4 times to get 0. So, 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. Now, let's solve one more example. That is 45 divided by 9. First, we will subtract 45 minus 9. We get 36. Now again we subtract 36 minus 9. We get 27. Then again we subtract 27 minus 9, we get 18. Again we subtract 18 minus 9, we get 9. And again we subtract 9 minus 9, we get 0. So we are subtracting 9 5 times to get 0. Or we can say that 45 divided by 9 is equals to 5. Let's learn some properties of division. Property 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 5 divided by 1 is equals to 5 and 10 divided by 1 is equals to 10. And property 2. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1 and 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Now property 3. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0 and 0 divided by 4 is equals to 0. And property 4. Division of a number by 0 is meaningless. For example, 35 divided by 0 has no meaning and 18 divided by 0 has no meaning. Here I have an assignment for you. Try to solve it and check your answer with the solution provided. Hope you were able to understand repeated subtraction.